So we have all this, like all these packages of HelloFresh happening in the fridge, but we're not going to have that for dinner. What we're having for dinner is this here. Rustica sourdough smoked ham and aged cheddar. It's McCain frozen pizza. It was $8. Look at the description. Crafted sourdough base. Stone baked in a traditional stone oven. I told you, the stone baked stuff is the best stuff that you can, that's the best way to do any sort of bread, doughy sort of style, anything, right? So far winning. And topped with double smoked ham, that sounds pretty good. Cremini mushrooms, whatever they are. Cheddar aged for 6 months. Well, that sounds impressive. And our signature caramelized onion relish. Well. And look at the front. Look at it. It looks like something from, you know, the Tuscany oven. Okay. So, you got to cook it, bake 15 minutes, rotating halfway through cooking. What is it? You got to rotate halfway through cooking. This is what it looks like outside of the packet. Seriously, it doesn't look anything like what's on the front, but it's not cooked yet. Okay, let's cook it. Okay, so I think it's cooked, right? That's what it looks like. And that's the picture. I want to eat the one that's in the picture. Look at that. That looks nothing like that. Okay, now for the taste test. Alright, I don't know if I should cook a bit longer, but I did cook it a bit longer than what it said. I'm going to cut it. I don't have one of those pizza cutters. Wish I had one of these rolling things. Rolling pizza cutters. It's got a normal knife. I need to get one of those pizza cutters, I think. Okay, here we go. Presentation wise, it looks like, I don't know, 4 out of 10. Nah, no good. This is no good. Don't get this, okay? I'm just just don't get it. Oh man. If you're desperate and you've got nothing else to eat and you just like can't be bothered getting out of that house, can't even call Domino's or whatever, then this will do. But seriously, no. That's not good. That's not good. It's like give it a 4.5 out of 10. It's not good. It's a bit dry. Yeah, no. Don't buy frozen pizzas. They're just horrible, hey? Just go out to the pizza shop and just get a pizza. You can get Domino's. Even Domino's is quite good. I'm gonna have another slice. Seriously, it's like not worth your money. It just tastes like frozen pizza. Actually getting better. It's getting better. It's getting up to like about 5.5 now. Okay. Actually, that's not too bad. I've changed my mind a little bit. 5.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's okay. I've had worse. I've had worse.